Okay, we're going to go over how to draw a clicker from The Last of Us. It's going to be simple for beginners, and we can get started, okay? So I'm going to be using a Sharpie, and we're going to go step by step. So the clicker, their head looks like a, what is it, like a fungus or something, right? So we're going to draw like a, kind of a line in the center, so it's kind of bursting out. And I'm going to go over here. I'm going to draw a curved line right there underneath. And I'm going to more or less just kind of draw like a kind of a wavy, almost like a rose petal. I'm going to go over here on this side. And I'm going to draw another wavy rose petal. It doesn't really matter as long as it's a little bit wavy and jaggedy. Right, pull it back in. Over here, the exact same thing. Like so. We got this kind of, again, rose petal-y type thing. You can add whatever you want to this area as it's like busting out over there. So right here, you can draw like a curve on the inside, little thin curves to kind of represent a texture on this, inner area busting out. All right. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna add a little bit more. Right, like there as well. Cool. Maybe out over here as well too. And you can kind of keep adding to it. That's the cool part about abstract shapes like this, is you can kind of like do your own version of it and it'll be fine. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. If you like learning how to draw anything, this is the place to do it. I do a video every single day. I go over iPad drawings. I go over simplistic ways to draw things that you watch, whether it be dinosaurs or movies or cartoons or Roblox, anything. So definitely hit the subscribe, click the bell notification, for more. All right, we're gonna go over here and draw the bottom part of the face. So what that was is like growing out of the face. Go over here downward. Side of the cheek, curve in here, undercut over here for the chin, other part of the jaw up, right there. Gonna go over here, line over here, line over here, top of the mouth. Down, over here for the side of the mouth, down, side of the mouth. Under, line over here, he's almost got like a smile going on, right? Gonna go over here and pull up. Draw some teeth aiming upward. Over here on this side. Over here on this side. And there's some bubbly stuff kind of here, so I'm gonna draw a line over here, maybe a line over here, kind of line of the chin. We're trying to think about stuff in your own face, right, where you smile and things of that sort. Line down. Line down over here for the neck. It's a little more, we'll put a space over here because it's obviously like a little bit more wild, a little bit broken up, like diseased. So I might throw a little splotches here in the skin. And the one we want to do is he's kind of just wearing like a regular like zombie. I mean, they call it clickers, but regular like zombie like outfit for the most part. I feel like that. Like a button-up shirt that's opened up a little bit or buttoned up down here. Pulling back here for the collar. Out. Down. Downward over here. Over here on this side. Back. Over here. Gonna go over here, right out, right here for the shirt. Over here on this side, out on this side. Right, just kind of a regular shirt. Thinking about the neck, right? Let's go down here. He's got like a regular human neck, because these are humans, right, essentially, that were turned into, they were bitten. Line over here. Downward. You could even go into the mouth over here and kind of fill in a lot of this stuff. Over here on this side, over here on this side, this side. Just kind of, again, throwing more texture over here into this part of the face, right? Again, the cool part and the reason I like drawing stuff like zombies or monsters is because you can kind of keep going with the little crinkly stuff, the little folds, and it doesn't matter. It just kind of adds to it, you know? I'm using the thin part of the Sharpie, by the way. Definitely use a Sharpie with a tip on it. Gonna go over here, the shirt. Downward. Over here, the fold of the shirt. Line over here for kind of the opening of that shirt. Line over here for this side of the shirt, side of the downward. And down right here. Maybe there's a couple of rips in it. Nothing too wild, right? Don't forget to hit the like button if you like The Last of Us. I just started watching it, so I'm very into it. Line over here for the fold. Line over here. Have another hook line. Down over here as well. Another hook line for the cloth right there. And then we're going to have his real arm just going to come out and vignette downward. Line up over here on this side. Over here. Out. Pulling up. Out over here, downward, and same thing. We got like his cloth, the cloth of his arm is kind of rolled up, sleeves rolled it up. Line for some folds there, and then his real hand is gonna vignette out down. Line across, down, down, curve, curve, curve. Line over here, and we're just kind of more or less adding details now. So like the bottom of the shirt over here, maybe you can do like the pants going down, but this guy's just kind of standing there like all like screwed up. And at this point you can literally just draw in lines over here, little ticks and lines and marks and little folds as you want, right? Because it's not that big a deal. A lot of it is you're just following the form of something. Don't forget, we have coloring books. I put up a coloring book on Amazon every single week. Go check it out. If you like coloring, go take a look at that. There's a lot of good stuff on there. I hope you enjoy it. And I want to thank you very, very much. You guys are amazing. And yeah, don't forget, if you want to see how to draw in general, go to my Skillshare as well. So thank you so much. Talk to you next time.